Hi, I'm Brandy Burgess, Director of Sales at CIC's Lab and Innovation Campus in Philadelphia. We're so happy to have you here today. Let's go on a tour. Welcome to our sixth floor kitchen. Our kitchens are a really important amenity that is included in the monthly all-inclusive rent price. They are well stocked with snacks, with breakfast items. We partner locally wherever we can, so you'll see our fresh produce, which is sourced from a local co-op, La Colombe Coffee, one of Philly's best. And not only is this a place of resourcing you as a team, but it's also a place where we foster connection. Some of the biggest and most important conversations our clients have had that have spawned their own businesses, their own startup innovations, have happened in this kitchen across a cup of coffee. So this is an example of a mid-size offering. This actually can have up to 7 desks in it. It is staged for 4 right now, so we can be really custom to your team's specific needs. Included in the offering for every key card is an ergonomic chair. These actually were designed especially for CIC, a modular desk, and a side filing cabinet. We can also include a whiteboard in your room if you want that extra space to visualize ideas, and we can also put your logo on the door if you want brand visibility and want to be connected to the community. Speaking of community, this is also a great office to show off the ecosystem. So you see Penn Medicine out your window, you see City Square, which is a 6-block radius that hosts over 400 businesses, and it is actually the highest concentration of startup innovation businesses in the city of Philadelphia. We're really proud of it, and we do a lot with our partners in the city and in this neighborhood to make sure our clients at CIC are engaging with the other businesses in the city. This is a great example of another private office offering that we have. This is for a larger team, so you see a big team room here. We can accommodate up to 15 desks in this room comfortably. Welcome to the Wagner Conference Room. This is on the 2nd floor, right off the elevator, so you can seamlessly bring your guests in for a meeting. We have whiteboards in all of our conference rooms, so if you need to visually draw something out, that's available to you. We've got ergonomic chairs, so you'll be comfortable during your meeting as you do your work. We also have video conferencing technology.